Hello, I am Avishi. I am currently pursuing my MBBS at King George's Medical University and I'm a student of the 2020 batch. I cleared my class 12 CBSE board examinations from Sunbeam Bhagwanpur in the year 2020. I was a student of the 2-year classroom program here at Aakash Varanasi. The environment provided here is very conducive for learning. I had interactive sessions with the faculty and am ever grateful for their able guidance. Their support has enabled me to crack the NEET examination in the first attempt itself. Even during the pandemic, we had regular online classes and interactive doubt clearing sessions. Online learning proved to be extremely effective due to the well-organized hybrid program and the efficient technical systems that our institute has in place. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Vishnu Tiwari sir, Anand sir, and the entire faculty here at Aakash Durgakund who have guided me throughout my journey and enabled me to learn from my mistakes to produce the best results that I could. I would highly recommend Aakash Durgakund to all the NEET aspirants out there. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.